Searching for a working Hostinger coupon code? This quick Hostinger review will help you save money. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll get an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostinger review, what people like most is simplicity and speed. You get fast loading times, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes creating a website quick and easy. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. Hostinger is often seen as one of the best web hosting options right now. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.